Hey everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. For this Christmas in July Clean With Me, we are going to be cleaning my cleaning closet. I haven't done anything in here for about 3 months, so I knew it needed a little TLC. And yes, I'm in my Christmas onesie, and it's not Christmas in July without turning on a Christmas movie and lighting a candle. Who says cleaning has to be boring? Not me, honey. I'm starting off by removing everything from the floor to give me some room to move. I'll be using this TV tray to put my bins on so I can go through them to see what I need to get rid of or what I need to replenish. This Christmas tree wax melt diffuser, I guess that's what you call it, was given to me by my niece, and it's my favorite. I love using this during the holidays. You just plug it in, put your little wax melt in there, and it smells heavenly. This bin holds my wax melts and my plug-ins, or anything to do with just freshening the air or just making anything smell really good. So as I'm going through my cleaning products, I'm also making a list of the items I need.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
Now I'm moving to my bathroom cleaning supplies, looking to see what I need to restock or what I've already used up and needs to go in the trash. And can I tell you, my favorite bathroom cleaning product has to be the Clorox toilet wand. I hate with a passion seeing a toilet brush in the bathroom. So when these first came on the market years ago, I was hooked, and I buy them in bulk from Amazon.
Like, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
I use this shoe organizer as a paper towel holder because mainly when people come into the cleaning closet, they're looking for one of two things, either toilet paper or paper towel. So I like to keep them right on hand just to make it easier for them to grab.
Just you and nobody else. just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
This bin holds all of our light bulbs, and as you can see, I have enough to last a lifetime, and what I can't fit in the bin, I hide behind the bins so it doesn't look so cluttered. This bin holds all of my all-purpose cleaners, and man oh man do I miss my Lysol wipes. This one container only had a couple of wipes in it, and I'm holding on to them for dear life, and I'm not about to throw them away. Now I'm giving the floor a good sweep, and I'm just putting everything back before I start folding some towels. I almost forgot some items I bought to replenish, so I'm just going to put those in the bin along with a few cleaning items and hygiene products.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph.
I keep extra bath towels and all of my microfiber cleaning cloths in here, and I also have these flour sack towels. I love these. They're 100% cotton. They are great to dry your pots and pans and your dishes with. They also make really great towels used in the kitchen to clean up messes.
Tired chore, no girl or boy without a toy. So giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of bananas this cold December day. On this cold December day.
And here is how everything looks after I have cleaned and organized my cleaning closet. I love coming in here and seeing everything in order.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them elves. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me, as tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess we're shapes that go together. Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on.
I hope you enjoyed another Christmas clean with me as we cleaned my cleaning closet. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you join this community. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And I will see you at the next one. Bye, loves.
You're making it brighter right through the gray.